So, welcome everyone to the class on statistics. In this class, we'll discuss the question paper of the year August September 2021. Okay, and this question came for 6 marks, where we need to calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Formula for standard deviation, I believe you already know that we are discussing for last so many classes. Standard deviation formula is summation of x minus x bar whole square by n, or you can use a formula of standard deviation under root of x square by n minus x bar square. This is a formula for standard deviation. Talking about coefficient of variation, if I talk about coefficient of variation, formula is standard deviation by mean into 100. So, so here in this problem, you can see this. So this problem, this question number 5, we need to find the standard deviation and coefficient of variation to determine which of the following shares has a more consistent and reliable market value. Actually, they are given you the market price of two shares, and they're trying to ask you out of share A and share B, which one is more consistent in nature. To determine which one is more consistent, so actually we use coefficient of variation to determine which one is more consistent. So the test of consistency, if you want to do test of consistency, if you want to do, so for that you just need to find coefficient of variation. If you want to find test of consistency, find coefficient of variation. So lesser is the coefficient of variation, lesser is the coefficient of variation, more is the consistency. Understand this. So whenever we talk about test of consistency, we find coefficient of variation. So lesser is your coefficient of variation, more is your consistency. So here, two shares are given, A and B. Okay, so the sum of x, sum of y, average on x, average on y. So the sum of x, if you want to determine, sum of x is 230, sum of y is 245. This is 230, this is 245. Total 5 datas are there. So this would be 46. This would be 49. So you got sum of x, sum of y. Now you have two formulas of standard deviation. So either of any formula you can use, you will get the same answer only. Fine. So I'll use both the formula and to show you that you'll get the same answer. In exam, you just need to follow one formula. The purpose of doing by two formula is just to give you confidence. Okay, so you can find x square and then you can find y square. X square is 225, then 400, then 100, then 95 square is 95 square is 9025, if I'm not wrong. 9025, 90 square is 8100. This is 1225, then 2025, then 3025, then 2500, and then 3600. So the sum of x square you got is, sum of x square is 17850. Sum of y square is 12375. Okay, so you can find sum of x square, sum of y square. So I can find the standard deviation on x, that is summation of x square by n minus x bar square. So standard deviation of x, standard deviation, the sum of x square is 17850 by 5 minus x bar. X bar is what? X bar is 46, 46 square. So the standard deviation of x would be 17850 divided by 5. That would be 1785 puja. Okay, fine. Divided by 5 only. So this is pizza. then 5 za, then 7 za. 3750 minus 46 square is 2116. So you just need to find this 3570 minus square root of 3570 minus 46 square. This is 31.13. 31.13. Any doubt, anyone? 38.13, not 38.
Yes, sir.
So once you find the standard deviation of x, you can find the standard deviation of y. Standard deviation of y is summation of y square by n minus y bar square. The standard deviation of y is equal to summation of xy square 2116 by 5 minus y bar 49 square. The standard deviation of y is equal to, this is 4, 2, 4, 2, 3.2 minus 24 square is 2401. Check this, guys. 2116. 2116 divide by 5. 423.2. Sum of y square by n. Some mistake is there, I think. Sum of y square. Sorry, that is 1, 2, 3, 7.
Sir, sum of y square is 1, 2, 3 something.
Correct, correct. Why I wrote in this? 357. What is 357? Okay. So wait. So sum of y, sum of x square is 17850. 17850. Sum of y square is 12375. 12375. 12375. 12375. This will be 2475. 2475. So this is root of 74.
74.
Now, once you find this, you can find the coefficient of variation of A, that would be standard deviation by mean into 100. The coefficient of variation for A is 38.13. Divide by the mean. Mean is 46 of x bar. 3813 divided by 46. Eighty-two point eight nine one. 82.8913. जैसे coefficient of variation of A, coefficient of variation of B would be standard deviation of B root of 74. What is the mean of A? What is mean of B? That is 49 into 100. Tell me the value for this. See the difference here. Clear everyone? Anyone any doubt? So whichever have the lesser coefficient of variation, that would be more consistent in nature. Clear everyone? So whichever data has lesser coefficient of variation, that data would be more consistent. So here if I'm asking you that which share has more consistent in market value, that would be share B. Ask question, anyone have any doubt? This have you understood this? Anyone have any doubt? Ask question.
No, sir.